Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best drawing tablets. I made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion. And I've listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer. So if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay to the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the drawing tablets in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify them when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to join our community Telegram channel, linked in the description, so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best drawing tablets on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the HUION H430P. If you're not sure whether a drawing tablet is something you'll use regularly enough to justify the cost, HUION H430P gives you all the basics without requiring a big investment. The drawing area is small, yes, but the pen is sensitive enough to give you a true sense of the creative benefits drawing tablets can bring. It may not take long before you outgrow this tablet, but it's a very affordable way to get started. Just be aware that this is a graphics tablet, not a pen display, so you will need to hook it up to some kind of external display in order to be able to see what you're drawing. A monitor is ideal, though a smartphone or other tablet will do a job in a pinch. Number 9. iPad Pro 12.9-inch. The 2021 refresh of the iPad Pro 12.9-inch comes with an M1 processing chip, which was previously only found on Macs. This enables apps to run faster than ever, and when it's paired with the all-new mini LED-powered XDR display, produces a system for making the display digital art that's simply unrivaled. Drawing with the Apple Pencil 2 is still a smooth and intuitive experience. The new screen really is an improvement across the board, with not only greater overall brightness but improved control of local dimming, meaning that areas of contrast have greater nuisance and definition of them. The iPad Pro 12.9-inch M1 2021 is so powerful and so priced accordingly that if you are only looking for a drawing tablet and won't need its many other features, it probably isn't worth it. And a dedicated tool like those in the list of this video will offer greater value for money. Still, let's not lose sight of the fact that this is one of the best overall tablets on the market right now, and one of the greatest for drawing, no question. Coming at number 8, XPPen Deco Pro Medium. The XPPen Deco Pro is a great tablet that is an absolute bargain at its price. However, the lower price means that sacrifices are made. Inconsistent drivers can make the Deco pen an unsatisfying experience. For someone who does not feel they need a tablet full-time, the Deco Pro will fit the bill. For those artists who depend on a drawing tablet, definitely try the Deco Pro. The XPPen Deco Pro is an alternative to the likes of the Intuos Pro, offering a smaller slate of features, but for about a third of the cost. So while the software drivers are a little janky, the fundamental drawing experience is rock solid. The pen may not have the premium feel of a Wacom, but it still offers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, and the overall design of the tablet has picked up a Red Dot Award. Coming at number 7, Wacom Intuos Pro S. The Intuos Pro range is the choice of many working illustrators and design professionals. And once you've used one, it's not hard to see why. The tracking of the pen movement, tilt, and pressure is near perfect, removing any barriers between what you meant to draw or paint and what turns up on the screen. Wacom also seems to have perfected the feel of the pen on the surface, so it glides across with just a hint of friction. It says a lot that our test illustrator is used to the old medium version of this tablet, but came to prefer the new small version over a couple of hours of use. If you need more space than the 6.2 by 3.9 inactive area, and throw in 6 buttons and a programmable dial, you have the ideal tool for professional artists or anyone wanting pixel-perfect precision from a tablet and pen. Number 6. Microsoft Surface Pro 8. The Microsoft Surface Pro 8 is made for multitasking. The 13-inch touchscreen display has a plethora of features, ranging from Dolby Vision to automatic color and brightness sensors, to its Iris X graphics, which provide more than enough tools and power to seamlessly switch between sketching and taking notes without skipping a beat. With powerful specs and Windows 11 at its operating system, this is the only device on this list that could truly function as a laptop replacement. Like the iPad, the Surface technically isn't a dedicated drawing tablet, so it doesn't come with a stylus. Microsoft has an incredible new pen to go with it though, in the Surface Slim Pen 2. The Surface Pen senses 4,096 levels of pressure and creates tactile feedback, simulating the sensation of applying pencil to paper. Coming at number 5, HUION Inspiro Dial Q620M. If you want a drawing tablet that won't break the bank, the HUION Inspiro Dial Q620M drawing tablet provides a lot of functionality for the price. The graphics display-free tablet can connect wirelessly to both PC and Android devices, and the wireless receiver can hold a charge for 20 hours, which makes it convenient and trouble-free. The durable and anti-sweat tablet board is scratch and fingerprint resistant and has a frosted matte finish to create the feel of drawing on paper. Coming in at number 4, Remarkable 2. If you're specifically looking for a black and white paper style experience, the Remarkable 2 is the way to go. The ultra-thin tablet features a unique 10.3-inch canvas display that simulates the look and feel of reading and writing on paper. Though it feels like a whole new world, it integrates into your digital life surprisingly well, converting articles from the web to a more focused, book-like form, converting handwriting notes into text, and shaping your tablet screen via a desktop or laptop. For artists, built-in templates and layers make it easy to start drawing, and there are brushes and tools to fit any type of project. Remarkable's proprietary stylus, the marker, features a high-friction pen tip and doesn't need to be charged. While it's impressive in many ways, it's worth pointing out that using a paper-style tablet is a choice with limited functionality compared to the iPad or Surface models on this list. If you're willing to commit a few bucks, it is incredibly good at what it does. Number 3. XPPen Artist Pro 16. XPPen continues to carve out an impressive niche in the mid-range of drawing tablets, with the XPPen Artist Pro 16 offering a premium-feeling experience at a consumer-friendly price, a minor upgrade on the Inventor 16. It offers an excellent drawing surface with 99% Adobe RGB coverage and virtually no parallax. The XPPen Artist Pro 16 boasts a new stylus with an intelligent chip promising a tenfold increase in touch sensitivity. This allows for some real lightness of touch when it comes to making fine lines, requiring just 3G of pressure to make a mark. Having dual dials and 8 customizable shortcut buttons makes controlling the Artist Pro 16 a pleasantly tactile process, as does the all-metal casing that surrounds it. If you ask me, this is an impressive, sleek, tempting tablet. Coming at number 2, Wacom Cintiq 22. In any conversation about digital art, Wacom is going to be featured heavily. For a long time, the company was pretty much the only serious name in drawing tablets, and it's only recently that the rivals have started to catch up. As such, you'd expect to see Wacom well represented on any list of the best drawing tablets, and one of its most popular models among artists is the Cintiq 22. With a 22-inch display, this is a serious tablet with a lot of room to play. It's got full HD resolution, not as many pixels as some newer, flashier tablets, but is more than enough for most people. You can get sharper screens on the Wacom tablets, but they tend to cost more, and this model is all about bringing Wacom quality with affordable price tag. And let's not forget that plenty of tablets, Sense Labs included, don't have a screen at all, plus it's got Wacom's ace in the hole, the Wacom XPPen 2, which boasts 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, as well as tilt sensitivity. Wacom has been in the game for a long time, and it's hard to imagine an artist with any complaints about the XPPen 2. It works really well. Number 1. SenseLabs Pen Tablet. The SenseLabs Pen Tablet Medium is an exceptional drawing tablet and our top pick for the best drawing tablet you can get right now. Well priced and beautifully designed, it has managed to justify the considerable hype that led up to its release. The designers were former Wacom employees, and its balance of quality and price is currently unparalleled. The texture of the drawing area is just right and the perfect level of bite against the stylus that makes it highly satisfying to use. The tablet also comes with 2 styluses bundled in, a regular and a slim version, and allows you to customize them pretty extensively. This is a handy way to set the 2 styluses up for different uses, example having one optimized for line drawing and the other one for shading. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best drawing tablets. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.